our channel. My name is Manpreet Kaur and I'm your French trainer. In today's video, you are going to see the days and months in French language. So let's begin. Starting with the days, which is called as les jours. So these are the days starting from Monday to Sunday. So let's start with the pronunciation. This is lundi, which is Monday. This is mardi, which is Tuesday. I'm writing in Hindi to make it more convenient for you for the pronunciation. This is mercredi, jeudi, which is Thursday, vendredi, which is Friday, samedi, which is Saturday, Sunday is dimanche. Let's have a quick view. It's lundi, which is Monday, mardi, which is Tuesday, mercredi, which is Wednesday, jeudi, which is Thursday, vendredi, which is Friday, samedi, which is Saturday, dimanche, which is Sunday. So these are les jours, which is the days in French. Now let's have a look to the months. Les mois, janvier. Yes, it has to be janvier. As you know, ER has a sound of A. So janvier, février, mars, avril, May. This is pronounced as May and this is pronounced as June only, but the spelling is different. As you know, in English we have M-A-Y, but in French we have M-A-I. So the pronunciation is different. June, Juliet, août, septembre. So it should be br in the end. Septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Let's have a quick view. Janvier, which is January, February, March, April, May, June, Juliet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre and December. So this is the months in French and these are the days in French. So in today's session we learned the days and months. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching till end and do not forget to share it with your near and dear ones and do like and subscribe to our channel.